Welcome to yet another stream. Welcome to another stream. This time we got audio working from the beginning of the stream. Alright, how's everyone doing? I actually had a fairly good day today. So, what are we going to be doing on today's stream? We are gonna be configuring a bit more or NVIM, and the thing that I won't be configuring today are some LSPs. So we have this plugin over here called Mason LSP config.nvim, and we have that installed. With our lazy packets. This was the last thing that we did on the previous stream, which was to edit these packets. This Gordon whatever alpha NVIM, which provides a dashboard. And I just put that in there. So just the title, just the name of the channel, and it seems to be working quite nicely. So if we do some window splitting, I believe this would be vertical window splitting. There we go. Right, I'm learning the thingies. So we're on config right now. Let's go elsewhere. Let's do NVIM just right here, and that shows this wonderful and beautiful logo right over there. I know that there's again some key binding, some keyboard, whatever, to move the screen up and down and make it bigger and so on, but I do not know that one yet at least. So things that we could change over here. So for example, the U and the N have ended up getting a bit like too compressed, at least to my liking. Also the B, maybe it's a bit weird, maybe it should be a bit shorter. I don't know, we can tweak that on another time. So this is at least something. File size matches. File exists and file size matches. Skipping. The more you know. Actually, I don't know what that is, but we don't care. Alright, so let's go over here. Within our plugins, we have this example over here, which just tell us how to do something, but it actually does nothing. So it apparently just puts grabbox, whatever. So this is a theme, but it's not the theme that we are going to be using. So the theme that we are gonna be using is Thomasir Beam Code Dark, which is the one that we are seeing at the moment. So the theme that we have is pretty much like close to VSCode one, at least, or at least I think so. Whatever. Let's only take a look at the example. Like, this could be interesting. Because maybe we see something that we would like to implement, that we would like to adopt. So disable trouble. Change trouble config. I'm actually not sure what trouble is, so let's take a look at that. Before we do the things with the LSPs, which should be straightforward. The thing that we did on the previous stream should have also been straightforward. and it was not, so maybe this will either be trouble.nvim. Trouble.nvim. Let's see what the hell do we have here. A pretty diagnostics reference. Okay. So I think I'm happy with having that. It has a lot of configuration, to be honest. Quite a lot of configuration, but I'm happy with having that. Diagnostics opts will be merged with the parent spec. Not sure what that means. And also we want to have it enabled, so that's fine. Override NVIM comp and add comp emoji. Okay, so what's that? Dependencies, comp emoji, config schema, name emoji. I don't know. Let's see we can partially enable this config at least. So we don't want any of that. We don't want any of this. Delete around that. Cool, really cool. So we don't want to do any of that, but we want to see delete 9 down. Well, nice, really nice. Let's write this and let's go to example, to the UI one. Let's go to this. So general UI changes, I'm happy with that, I guess. We will need to rename this one. I don't know yet what this package will do, so let's just put like some comment in there. Let's leave it empty. We will fill it in when we know what we are doing. So let's try what this comp thing is. I actually don't know what that is. Let's see what else are we gonna be changing when we save this. Well, let's actually save. So if I save, I should see something changing. Have you seen something changing? CMP emoji, what's that? Actually, yeah, CMP emoji. What hell are we talking about? CMP emoji. CMP emoji. Right. CMP emoji. Let's actually put some hello chat over the chat. Like I forgot to do that. Hello chat over there. Hello chat over here. Fuck. Whatever. Hello chat. I just put a comma. There you go. Comma. Yeah, let's see what this comp emoji is about. Source for emojis. Specify emoji should be insert or not. So I guess this is just like a list of emojis. Alright. I don't know if which of the two is better, like the default or this one. Let's use the new one, the one that it's configured here. So change some telescope options and a key map to browse plugin files. So now leader FP. What the hell? Right. Let me actually. Oh, what have I done? This is just jumping down, right? Yeah. So let me actually just quit everything, quit all, and start NVIM again. It's doing something is right there and now. Okay, let's go back to our example. Wow. Why am I seeing this in such a way? Yeah, this is not what I had planned. This is not what I had planned. So how do we stop, like, yeah, this is just like a bunch of JSON. Can we not, like, I don't know. So far we've read, oh crap, wrong key. So far we've read the file up until here. So let's just close this there. And let's say some more stuff equals that, right? Local, maybe? Local, is that how you, probably? This looks about right. So let's just Lua syntax check end of file expected after return. Right, so we cannot do that. Let's just put a multi-line comment then. So how do we do multi-line comments in Lua? It is. Yeah. Alright. Pop. Lua should use that for multi-line annotations. Okay. So it should use that upon that. So insert, and how do we close that up? Like this. Hey, was mine being closed? Like we have a comment over there, comment, and it stops being commented at show. Alright, so let's just do this. Apparently it doesn't allow over nesting. I actually should have taken a look at how should I close, but feels like we've got it. Alright, so right quit. Ooh, not looking good, boys. Not looking good. Alright, starting to look better. Yeah. So where's the example? Right, back to normal. GG, go to G. Alright, so up until here our config is working. We've got that thing with the emojis. I mean, we have emojis, right? Like this. I mean, I'm not sure if those are actually emojis. Oh, I clicked with the mouse and now everything's broken. Don't click with the mouse, guys. Don't click with the mouse. All right. No mouse, no mouses are allowed on our config. So, right. Yeah. So change some telescope options and key map, and a key map to browse plugin files. Okay. So this I wanted to try because this is quite interesting. Let's just delete this line. And our thing is quite brokey. Ooh, it took a while to recompute all of the layout. Alright, I guess that's fine. Let's append and enter and delete. Alright, let's go a bit farther down and let's just close. Oops. And let's just within insert, put our opening of comment there, and we'll have to delete that and do this. Okay. Right. So this should, first of all, it should reload the config, and it should add that now with leader FP I should be able to search for plugins. So let's try to do that. FP. Have you searched for any plugin? Because I have not. I've unfortunately not searched for any plugin at all. FP. Leader F. Is there a P over here? There's no P. There's no P over there. Maybe I do have to like restart or something. So let me just right quit, restart. Let's go to our example, and let's now do leader F. Find plugin file. Okay, so we just had to restart. Ooh. Okay. So we have many files over here. I guess that this would have been quite interesting yesterday. So here's the dashboards, in dashboard header, hyper. So many things, many interesting things. Many plugins are available over that thing. And what's that actually searching? Where is that searching? Lazy core config. Yeah, I guess it's searching on somewhere in lazy. That should be fine. Yeah. Apparently we have managed to disable the tabs somehow. Like that does not. Maybe if I open something else, UI. Okay. So we get tabs when we have things opened. Alright, so tabs are not broken. Alright, so cool. I guess that FP is cool, and it's also a nice example of how to add things in there. Right, how does Witsky know? I guess that it inspects all of the plugins or something, because Witsky picked up that was possible. Right, I'm not that fan of Witsky, but at the beginning I think it'll be useful to keep in there. add a pywrite to LSP config. Add pywrite. Okay, so pywrite is an LSP. Okay, so this is what we wanted to do, actually, to LSP config. I thought that LSPs were configured with Mason, right? Oh, pywrite will be automatically installed with Mason and loaded with LSP config. Would you look at that? Alright, so it was pretty nice to do this thing, because now we know how to add plugins. It was pretty nice. So okay, so you come over here and you say, I want to do something to NVIM LSP config. Class plugin LSP auths. That's types. Type LSP config options. Servers equals pywrite. How does it know to load that thing from Mason? I wonder. Let's do some junking. Oops. Let's do some junking around or that. Let's come over here. Let's actually append this that we've junked, and let's insert some spaces and a comma over there. So we know that this is adding pywrite to LSP config. How about we add something else? How about we come over here, take a look at the list of things that we have available, and for example, Arduino language server. What about adding Arduino language server? So add, well, I mean, it's okay, to LSP config. So yeah, NVIM LSP config, that I guess that's the same thing, and we only see pywrite over here. So let's put that in there. Let's delete this line and let's save. Would you look at that? Okay, let's just now quit and reopen NVIM. And I didn't see Mason doing anything with that. Example. Mason failed to style pywrite. Okay, we have some things in here. Loading workspace Lua. Whatever. So it actually failed to put pywrite, apparently, but it succeeded on doing the Arduino thing. Have no explanation for that. So what about we come over here and do some Mason? What do we have over here? Installed. Okay. Arduino language server. Good. Lua language server. Good. Soltec. Good. SH format. Good. Style Lua. Good. Why is pywrite not working? So if we search for Python, we have many Python thingies here. PyLSP. So why if instead of using pyrite we do some delete word? That didn't work. Delete end of line, matching character, start of line, start of, yeah, next empty line, previous empty line, previous word, words, current word, B, no, delete, around word, maybe, is that around, W, a word. Okay, delete word. We want to do, instead of pyrite, we want to do pi LSP. Insert pi LSP. Okay, so right quit, yeah, NVIM, yeah, Mason, yeah, and we have no Python over here. Right. Failed to install pi LSP. How do we take a look at the notification list? NeoVim, read notification log. Open source notification. Yeah, but what's the notification thingy that I'm using? What was that it? Oh, he has explained the LSP config. Alright. Oops, no. Ensure installed. I thought that I had to do this ensure installed. I had to do that, but maybe I do not. Maybe I do not have to do that. Yeah, let's actually how do we do this thing? Let's actually come over here. Let's go to nerd tree. Okay, and let's just create a new file. How do I do that? Nerd tree new file. Let's see. We are learning. Nerd tree new file. All right. So how do I do that? Right. I can't do that from the terminal. Thank you. Really? Add a child node. Add. Alright. I mean, I have the plugin installed. I might as well use it, you know? So LSP .lua. LSPs.lua. So I want to return. I want to return some object. Okay, what's this object gonna have? Can I do O? No. I don't know how to jump back and forth the tabs. I need some harpoon. I need some harpoon. Right, so I want to cut the lead around this. Alright, and now I want to come over here and do some paste. Alright, that's good. That's good. Insert some spaces. Good. Come over here. And we just don't need that. We don't need that. And let's delete around this. Go over here. Append, comma, insert, fuck. Alright, so we have this Zyza. So this is gonna be Arduino. Yeah. Stop auto suggesting me crap. Insert, and this is gonna be Python. Alright, so insert, we don't need that. Let's go here, and let's say that this is our LSPs, LSP config. Alright, so this is gonna be all of our LSPs. What are our LSPs gonna be? They're gonna be just... I know why it failed. Alright, so let me junk this line. Insert. No, append. Why I haven't just pasted? That's better. So that was my issue. Actually, everything's wrong. Junk that line. Paste it here. Junk this line. I missed like most of the things. Whatever. I guess that I just copied it wrong. You know, like we often make mistakes, and I might have made a mistake. I might have. That's within the realm of possibilities. But actually, Arduino was working, so Arduino was the one working. Here's the things that I forgot. All right, so let's delete 5 down. Okay, we have deleted 5 down. So this could be just some miscellaneous stuff. We could just call this, like, let's go to nursery, let's rename, let's call this some misc, save on the new name. Yeah, save it. Yeah, but actually save everything. Alright, I don't know if I write key or if it only writes the current buffer. Maybe it does. Who knows? So LSPs, Mason failed to install. Installation logs had a fuck. Installation logs were right there, and I missed them. Yeah. Let's take a look at which. Yeah, I'm going to do some of this Mason thingy later. So let's just duplicate this. Duplicate. Oh, what a awful duplication. Coding, color scheme, editor. What am I looking again at? UI. So notifications. Notify. Beam notify. So I guess that's the one that we are using. So NVIM notify logs. A fancy configurable notification manager for NeoBeam. Logs. Log. Oh. Turn off notifications from OneDrive. We notice that you haven't opened this in a while. Turn them off. What were they on? What were they there at all? Notification from OneDrive. God damn it. Beam log level born. History. If you have Telescope and Beam installed, then you can use Notify extension to search the history. Crap. Okay. Mason LSP config.nvim or notification system failed. No. Or LSP system. Mason LSP config failed to install by LSP. Installation logs are available in Mason and Mason log. Okay. Mason. No. Quit. Mason log. Alright. Error. So I guess this one. Installation failed for package name Lua language server. Error. Installation was aborted. Okay. Failed. Installation failed for package TypeScript language server. Error spawn. npm failed with exit code and signal. npm is not executable. That's probably because I don't have npm, so that's fine. npm failed. Python 3 failed. For package that. So okay, maybe they are like failed for pyrite. Okay, spawn npm failed with exit code. npm is not executable. I need npm to install that. Like, why? I need npm to install a Python plugin? Like, for real? Actually, for real? Like, are you kidding me? Like, Okay. So we have based, pyrite, jedi, pyrite, pylizer, sorcery, LSP, rough LSP. I mean, let's try with based pyrite. So delete around word based, fuck, undo, insert, based pyrite. Let's write and quit. I wish it remembered what it was last time I quit, but maybe it does not. Have I not deleted this one? Oh, it's empty. Delete. Fuck. No. Hello, Todd. Hello. How are you doing, mate? How are you doing? Right. So over here, LSP config failed again. Alright, so our LSP config is just completely failing all the time. But now we know how to debug it. So Mason logs. Choose a name for my language. Oh, so you're that far with your language that you're actually gonna name it right now. Oh, that's good. Oh, a good name for a language. I mean, for loops are defined as for loops as defined. That's too many semicolons. My guy, that's too many semicolons. Because that it's like a C-like for loop. Yes, all statements have semicolon at the end. Okay. I'm happy with that. I think that's a Mason log. So a name for your language. I mean, A, B, C, D are already taken. So E, well, E is for all lines. So E, F is taken. G is D line taken? You could be like GG, like you could. I mean, does go, but you could. D is taken. No, I mean G. D is taken. E is not taken, but L line is too close. Also, E feels a bit weird, I think. But a G could be fun. Like, does go. G is gay. No, G is gay. Okay, so, 8, no, J, K. You could be gay. You could be the triple K. I mean, I don't know. K could be fun. Isn't it a D lang? G is K. C sharp. C sharp is F sharp is the F sharp. Set sharp is taken. Is that a thing? Is that actually a thing? C sharp language? F sharp probably taken to F sharp is taken, made by a YouTuber. Okay. Sam Astro set sharp. Yeah, F sharp is made by Microsoft, so F sharp is taken. I don't know. So I mean, E is not taken, but there's Erlang, so Erlang. So you might have to deal with that. But E is not. Search Holy C. Holy C. Oh, Temple OS. The Holy C. Does Temple OS have its own language? I could believe that. It has. Right. Holy C compel. No way that this is for real. Like I knew about the history of Temple OS. Like the guy went crazy and build a wholly operative system. Like that's the true and only operative system, but no one uses it. So I don't know. People usually use the gaming machine operating system on Linux or the thing with apples. It's only on beta for 20 years now. Wait, did he die? I think so. Terry A. Davis, maybe not. Didn't he went like crazy? Yeah, it's dead. 2018. Like, I mean, known as J operating system. J. I mean, if this is J operating system, you could write like J lang or J plus plus. J plus plus. Is that actually a thing? Oh, why is my search all broken? Oh, J minus minus no, J plus plus. Yeah, plus plus. I wanted to take the name Java. Yeah, surely Java is not already taken. I mean, you could also do like the scripting version of Java, which has actually nothing to do with Java, but Java, C++, do we need Java++? I mean, you already have like a Stack Overflow post created for Java++, so you can just call it JavaScript. The mouse taken. Java lang could be found. Java lang, Java.lang. Oh, but yeah, the naming of the packages that's sort of taken. Java lang. I don't know. Java++ could be fun, or J sharp. J sharp. You could be J Balvin, Colombian singer. Apparently, J sharp. Visual J sharp. Well, J sharp is taken. Not to be confused with J or J++. God damn it. Visual J++. I mean, it's discontinued, so my full for loops are. Alright, let's actually let me copy that. Let me copy that. Let's do this right. Like, let's come over here. Let's even create a new file. How do I create a new file? Open a new buffer. Well, let's reuse this buffer. I don't know how to open a new buffer. Alright, so for mutable, the name of the variable of the type i32, while I is less than 10. I mean, I guess that this should be capital I, right? That was probably like a typo. And then we do plus equals 1. Alright. It's actually supposed to be lowercase. Oh. So all of the I's, my keyboard uppercased it. Okay, so all of the I's are supposed to be lowercase then, right? Alright. So I guess that you can do this. I quite not like this last semicolon. I find that unnecessary. I'm okay with having this one here, but this one at the end feels a bit unnecessary. I mean, if it's in line, I don't know. Yeah, it's part of the. I'm just being critical and stupid about this thing, but when you do you and you create your own language. No assumptions. Okay, so no, sorry. Compiler, compile time. Compiler will yell at me if I don't put that there. Okay, so we would do it like this. interesting things. Okay, so this looks a bit like, where's your initial value? Like, can't you say equals 2? Like, would it go there? Right? Or would it go over here? I mean, usually I don't know where usually it goes. Oh, I forgot. Okay. So we are making progress. We are making progress. It's multi. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I kind of like that. So yeah. All right. The thing is that, could you do, or would you actually would be happier with something like this? Like, mutable is part of the type, right? So this, I think this could make more sense. No. Okay. So alright, so it's like that. Mute is keyword. Oh, so mute is the keyword for knowing if that's a variable, right? Okay. Mute is keyword. Mute. I guess that's fine. Let is constant. Alright, so you have let and mute. Cool. I mean, it's cool. It's fairly readable. How would you do the if then? So it would be like, if no parentheses, so I equals 69, and then opening thingies and semicolon, right? Like that. If true, I'll leave true, else semicolon. Alright. So else, when it feels, maybe one should go here, right? Or maybe not. Okay. I mean, it was cool. It's definitely cool. So yeah, man. Like, where's the code? Where's the code for this thing? Like, are you planning on making it like open source? How can I delete 8 lines? Delete 8. Yeah, just like that. All right. Reason I wanted to. Oh. Okay, so you have your thingy there. All right. So everyone who's interested on the language that we are talking about, for now, you and me, and if you have someone else that has gave you a star, that person, I'm gonna just put the star over there. There's literally nobody watching. I mean, you are someone, and I'm also watching the stream. I'm leaving the stream. I give it myself. Yeah, no, you have to. No, you have to. So, oh, there's some space missing there. I can make a pull request to fixing readme. Adding a space. All right. So, how's this looking? Oh, it's made with Rust. So it's gonna be a safe language. It's gonna be. It's gonna be a safe language. All right, that's really nice. Like, first thing, you've taken into account people that actually want to get a smooth onboard into the language. This is interpreted for VLine, a programming language developed by Vinicius. Vinicius. How? Vinicius. All right, Vinicius. File name. All right. Really cool. Okay, I like that it had oh, and you are using like proper naming for these things. Like, you will have like the front end, the back end, on the like parsers and this kind of stuff also are divided into that, like lang is divided into front end and so, or at least that's what I know. That's what I know. Let's take a look at the types. Let's take a look at the types. Alright, so these are your tokens. Really nice, well organized. Well organized. Okay, and you have some. Okay, this looks nice. I can't read Rust to some extent. Hold on, I'll go take my food. Okay, I'll just have a look at this thing in the meantime. So I can't read Rust, but it's not that I can't write it. It's that I haven't put the effort on learning it. Like it, I mean, any language is readable, you know. Like, oh, keyword if. Ah, that's interesting. So this is more like some kind of debugging, right? Format display. Yeah. So this is like for printing the things. Rather. So where are you saying to what they like? How are you parsing them? I guess that in the parser. Duh. Well, where are you parsing them? Why don't you look on the parser? Alright, zap. Right, yeah, I was just taking a look at the just a bit of the code. Like I was like taking a look at the lecture. I was thinking, oh, sorry, taking a look at the types first. You mocking my parser. I'm mocking my dumb understanding of the types. I was like, oh, so this is how you match, like if the F, or like how you compare them. And then I realized that this is how you print them just to the console. And then I was like, oh yeah, so that makes more sense. And it's like, of course, it's how you print it to the console. Like, and then I was like, okay, so then how you parse it? Well, why haven't I looked on the parser to know how you parse them? I was mocking myself. Actually, I was mocking myself. All right, so yeah. Oh, self.parse loop controls. Okay. On report. Oh, this is pretty nice. Like whenever there's an error, you are able to create like an accurate something that describes what has happened. So that's really nice. Okay, so that's fine. I guess that, yeah, so the parser will take the thing and will create the tokens, and then the lexer will do the cool stuff. It checks if the BR key and CNT statements are inside some nested loop. Alright, so the break and CNT, if not, it throws a specific error for it. Alright, so that's nice. That's pretty nice. Unity is break, CNT is continue. Okay, right is return. Alright, so you have like an inner, yeah, because it's also an interpreter. Okay, that makes sense. That makes total and complete sense. Alright, and current char equals that. Alright. I wasn't expecting to see this, but I guess that I'm just not familiar with the code. So this is the thing that you were talking about. So break, continue, return. Okay, those comments is because I was lost. Lol. Yeah, that's fair. We've all been there. Alright, it looks like a really cool project. I hope that you're learning a lot. I mean, at the end, that's the point. That's the point. Am I right? Alright. So, yeah, Unfortunately, my project is not yet as exciting. Give me a star. I gave you a star. Let me reopen it. Let me reopen it. Fuck, why is it not opening? God damn it. It's I'm looking at the history of the chat, trying to get the link again. You can, if you have it on hand, just paste it. Otherwise, I will just find it eventually. Okay, there it is. Alright, that's the link. I gave you a star. That's the star. Haven't it not updated? Make a new account. do I have two GitHub accounts actually? I actually have two, but I don't know how to log into the other one. if I ever remember to how to log into the other one, I'll give you that second stuff. God damn it. Alright. Apparently over here I'm installing my Arduino, not Arduino, but rather Arduino. Arduino. Alright, so at the moment I'm having some issues installing something that is able to parse Python, and behold of the reason, because the reason is that all of the Python parsers or lexers or whatever the hell they are that I found so far use npm for something, and I don't have npm on the Golang development server. So check Dreams of Code on YouTube. Let's check Dreams of Code. Dreams of Code YouTube. Alright, Dreams of I think I know this guy. Yeah. Am I even be subscribed? I know. Am I logged in here? I guess that I didn't like it that much because I've not subscribed, and I have seen, like, you see, I've seen part of a couple videos, and this one was okay. This one I guess I liked as well. But that's about how much he makes video of NeoBeam on Python. Oh, I mean, I'm personally not a complete fan of Python, so I'm utterly and completely new to Lua, so the syntax looks a bit funny to me yet. But I'm not a Python fan. If I had to choose between Python and JavaScript, I'll probably stick with JavaScript. I mean, he made a video on how to configure. That's different. That's different. Let's do that. Python. Ooh, Windows sounds. There's no Python here. I actually believe that I was the one for C++. That's for sure. NeoBeam for Python. Okay, so I haven't watched this one. I don't want to get like copyright claimed or anything, so I'm just gonna pause the video and scroll. So MV chat. Okay, so what plugin that he use? So this is the plugin that I'm using, LSP config. So that's fine. Which LSP does he choose? Because I want to use LSP config. Yeah, that's what I have with file. Crap. Alright, maybe he has something in the description. There must be something in the description. Git clone. Get git cloned. Alright, so here we have give me the code. Give me the fucking this is MV chat. I don't want MV chat code. I want the code for the video. Haven't he not posted? Maybe he has not posted. Getting started, code suggestion, static analysis, auto formatting, debugging, final config. Okay, there we go. Give me the code. Alright, alright. So probably here. LSP config. Yeah. Yep. So he chose to use Pyrite and rough LSP. Okay, yeah. So Pyrite was the default. So I switched to based Pyrite. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. And apparently he's also put in this thing, rough LSP, which probably does more things. I didn't know that I could have two for the same language, but if he has two for the same language, then I can also have two for the same language. The issue with based on Pyrite as well as the other things that I've tried for Python is that yeah, they use npm. So I don't actually want to install npm. Let's take a look at the logs. So Mason log. So here I should see why it failed. So we are looking for based. So why not based? JS is good. Yeah, JS is good, but the issue is that if I want to have like something that is not dependent on, like I want to have like a Go machine or a Python machine, and I don't want to have all of the languages to make LSP run. So that's what I was avoiding it. Yeah. Let me see what the errors are this time. Python LSP server. Python LSP server. Installation failed for package flake 8. Python LSP server. Oh, this time is different. I really have no idea why we need npm for NVIM plugins too. Yeah. That's fair. Why can I not see the code? How do I? Let me try to exit full screen if I can. Okay. And now we can do this. Fuck. God damn it, Windows. Spawn. Python 3 failed with exit code 1 and signal 0. Okay, that's fine, because this is the Go machine and it's failed because of Python. So maybe this time it's because I don't have Python installed. Let me actually quit. No, let me actually split the terminal. I knew. So that. Alright. So Python 3. Do you have Python 3? We do. Why is your name Casado? That's my surname. So I don't know if that's the case in Brazil as well, but in Spain at least we have like the name. So my name would be Juan, and then we have a surname, which would be that. So let's do. But I actually have it means married here. It also means married in Spanish. And we have two surnames. So those are my surnames. You have two surnames. Yeah, I have two surnames. So you can do surname 1 and surname 2. As you can see. And you are not married. Damn. I mean, this one also means the guy that uses a crossbow. So how does that go? Crossbow. Yeah. How's the guy that is the crossbow called? A crossbow guy. Man who took crossbow to kill queen. Wow. So yeah. So I'm married and I know how to use a crossbow. Apparently. Apparently. I don't think we have a word for that here. For crossbow, or for the guy that uses it. Like if you have the arc, you know, and the archer. So that this would be the same. You have crossbow and the crossbower. But crossbow is translates to stupid thus beast. Huh. I'm I'm a married beast. or a stupid married. Whatever. So yeah, you can see that pyrite is because this thing. Celtic is fine, but now I am not using Besta. A Besta. Oh, that would be more like Italian. A Besta. Yeah. That JSON speed pyrite. Yeah, but what's the base pyrite? Python 3 failed. I mean, this is the worst log possible. Like, based pyrite failed. Why? Because Python 3 failed. And why did Python 3 fail? because it wanted to. You know, it wanted to fail. Based pyrite. Based pyrite. So what's wrong with this guy? Like, at least this guy is not using npm, so that's progress. Is it using npm? It's not using npm. Okay. Pose as a PyP package. No Node.js required. That's right. That's why they're based, because they decided not to use npm. It should be the way to go, at least for a Python, at least for a Python extension. Right. Thanks to me. I deserve a second star now. I mean, you have 2 stars. Unless you take your star out. Alright. So, I mean, why the hell is Python failing? Like, fuck. Why are you doing that to me, Python? The people I inspired from have 400. Oh, so well, 400 is fairly fine. I mean, I don't easily give a star, so if you have like 400 stars, like, that's probably like a big thingy, you know. It's probably a big thingy. Which one is the one that you've inspired from? NVIM. And so lazy beam's doing stuff. And let's now try to check what Mason is doing. So Mason. So Mason has installed these ones. I'm confused about why is the Arduino language server working so nicely, and the Python extension is face-hh. It's so cropped. Face-hh. Let's take a look. Read code. A code editor made with Godot. Oh, let's see. Ugh. Ugh. I'm noticing that one. Right. Right. Nerd phone. We use nerd phone for the file picker. Huh. Alright. What else does this guy have? Activate the music lol. Alright, let's try listening to the music. Yo, that's some grass. I'm a developer. No way. I respond faster on Discord. Oh, this is a GIF. That's a GIF. I thought that I was taking a look at something cool, but it's a GIF. It doesn't have sound. It literally doesn't have sound. Yeah, I don't know. His editor plays music non-stop. Damn. I mean, what a lack of opportunity. Why didn't it put the music? Like, is that not like a YouTube video? Probably illegal. Maybe, I don't know. How did he put the video? Table of contents. What was the video? Excuse me, my guy. Coding has never been more late. Coding has never. So this is the video. Like really? Oh, it's an asset. So he uploaded. He should have uploaded the video to YouTube, and then he could have put the YouTube embed here, and then it would have had sound. Probably he had to choose between sound and images to be able to fit this on GitHub without paying money. So, or maybe not. Who knows? Who knows? Definitely not me. Definitely not me. Check his buzzing language. Right. Control-Shift-T. Right. Buzzing language. So should be this guy does buzzing. Running to run specify a file npm. I don't know. You're on the chat. I should have been looking at the camera. Like he's running npm. Are you trying to trick me onto using npm? He made it in TypeScript. Okay, so then you did the wise choice and translated to Rust. I don't even know how to write Rust. So. Lit. God damn it. Lit xb trim. Bruh. Lit x. This is unusual. I mean, it's cool, but lit xb crap right now. I mean, it's fun, but just fun. Lit array be meh. I mean, I guess it's cool. It did some syntax highlighting for VSCode, so that's cool. But I mean, it's just a for fun project. A cool for fun project. Oh, and you organize it similarly to him. 10 out of 10. Yeah. Haven't you checked Sodin? Like he's doing a Sodin. Trading? No, thank you. Sodin. There we go. Sodin YouTube. We follow the same tutorial. Oh, you and the other guy. Yeah. He's uploaded. Oh, I've seen a video of him doing something with a language just right now, like a new video, not the Ada one. I'm just Google. I know that you know him because we've already talked about him. but he's uploaded a new video about. I haven't watched the full video. I just watched the intro, so I know what the video is about. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but it looked like a fun project, a different fun project. Like, this is fun because it reads funny. His project was fun because it's math, you know, like it's just programming for the sake of programming. So did it a Soviet comrade. I mean, he's from Russia, but I don't know. Comrade, what does comrade is like friend, I guess. Comrade meaning. Does it have a positive or negative connotation? Comrade is a misspelling of the word comrade. Comrade is an old-fashioned word that means a friend. Okay, especially one who you have been involved in difficult or dangerous, usually military activities with. All right, so comrade is positive connotations for our Soviet comrade. God damn it, really? Yep, what's to me? Bro, waffle. That's how you print, you say waffle. Bra X. For my defense, in Russia, the transliteration for Latin is comrade. Okay, that could be fair. So they had the K, and then English took the C, and then K became the misspell of the C. That's cool. So yeah, Russian has no C. I mean, I've seen soldering programming on C, so I'm fairly sure that they have some C. I don't know. I know literally nothing about Russia, nor anything of that kind. Yeah. Russia has no. Yeah, I'm illiterate on Russian topics. Like, I know Sodin, and I know this other guy. For fuck's sake, I forgot his name. The guy that is from MIT that also does podcasts. Lex Freeman. This other guy. This is the other Russian guy I know. Come learn Russian. Weren't you from Brazil? am I confused all of a sudden? Am I confused? I mean, I wouldn't have any issues on learning Russian. It just feels way too complicated. I am. Okay. I was just scared if I was confused about that, and I had been thinking that and saying that, and then it was fake. There's just 33 letters. I mean, English has less letters, probably. I'm not sure, and it's already complicated. So, do you need to give me a language with even less letters? That might make it more complicated. I don't know. It might. Who knows? What do you mean? You don't know Latin has 26, Lamau? Yeah, the Spanish has 27. So yeah, we have the this one, which I don't even know how to write on this keyboard, because this is a British keyboard. We have the one with this one. We have this one. We use the Latin alphabet. Yeah, I'm not so. What the fuck? we have this letter. Say there's no fucking way. Is the here A and O and oh, that's right. So that those are accents. Yeah, we have those. We don't have the same ones. So we have this one. Fuck. I don't know how to. Can I switch keywords? Oh, I can. We have that one. We have this one. We have this one. We have this one, and then we have this one. Only with that type of accent. So that type of accents for all of the vowels, but those aren't letters. They are just A with accent, O with accent. But this one on the other hand, fuck. How the fuck? Where's that one? Okay. That one is apparently a letter. It's similar to Russian kratkoye, though. Okay, so they have the reversed N. They have the reversed N. And pop. The aftermost and highest deck of a ship. Whoa. Why is that? Why is pop the first? Oh, I don't know. Let's see this one. Okay, so that's another letter. We have A, E, O. You don't have them with the U, for example, or you do. Okay, yeah. So we have only this one. Oh, that one. That. Wow. That's Ukrainian. Russia has no E. Okay. Ah. Lol, I forgot. That's cool. I mean, that's already too complicated. I know that France has this one and that one and these ones. And probably like this. So France has even more thingies, but although U has been removed since 2008. Really? They deprecated the U. Oh, we do have that U. That's the other. Yeah, this one is also a thing in Spanish. Just the U, for whatever reason. So we have this one. It has its own pronunciation. So the more you know. Alright. So. I had over here an example for the LSPs. This one. So this example should work with LSPs. Let me just paste. Fuck. Alright. So this should do something with the LSP. This one I don't need. And these ones I want. Alright. Yeah, some more movies still use the U on subtitles. Oh, and your name has that one too. Yeah. That's cool. Cool. Alright. The issue with doing with configuring Mason over here, or at least, is that I might lose the initial Mason configuration, so I'm a bit scared about that. So yeah, I don't know. Let's junk around that word, and let's paste that in there. Ugh. Will this work, or does that have to be? Yeah, it has to be like quotes. dollar append quote. Fuck. Well, you can branch out of that. Really? Tell me your secrets. How can I branch out of how? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean by branching? I might be interested on doing some branching. In Git, lol. Yeah, that's fair. I could of course branch on Git. I thought that I could be able to do something like if whatever. I guess that's a way for doing that, but I don't know. Yeah. Let's see if this installs that thing. It should. As far as I know, it should. Have you seen it being installed? Because I haven't. I actually haven't. Stop failing? God damn it. Let me see. I have it for Mason. Okay, that could be cool. That could be cool. So yeah. Oh, Hanga! How are you doing? AX 3D. How are you doing, my guy? You know, yesterday when you posted the thing about people trying to not well. Oh, that's unfortunate. I hope you get better. What happened? I hope that you're being ironic, to be honest. But yeah. No, not well is usually not a good thing. Gambling addiction. Really? I mean, I'm laughing because you're being like cool and smooth about that one, but it's actually an issue, you know. Like, stop gambling. I don't have it for Mason. Okay, so no Mason config. God damn it! Go and find them. Stop being on the stream. Go and find your money. Get your money back. Like, bruh, you can buy so many keyboards with that. Like that. I'm somewhat laughing because I truly wish and hope on the deepest depths of my heart that you are joking. But do please stop gambling. You've already lost a lot of money. You are only gonna keep losing more. So stop as soon as you can. Yeah. What to be joking about that? Lol. I mean, you can joke about whatever you want. Like that's cool and all. I'm happy with joking. Yeah. The fireball's off. Fucking install that extension. How do I install things in here? How? Anyone know how to install things with Mason? Like, is doing shit, but not the shit that I want. Maybe if I do LSP, I don't know. Okay, so this is like a filter. Linter, formatter. So this is why my Lua code is sometimes breaking, because this is a format. Alright, that's fine. Yeah, I wish that the logs for this were a bit better. Mason log, because they're just not too descriptive. Not too descriptive. Yep. I don't know. Okay, so we can't have Python. So that's the thing that we've learned so far. We can't have Python. Let's have no Python there. How do I quit? Okay, let's have no Python there. Let's leave Python like that. I'm happy with having Arduino, although I'm not planning on programming anything about Arduino, but I've programmed so much for Arduino that I like Arduino. So let's install that. What else do we have to get installed over here? Alright, we would like to get something for C++, to be honest. Like, that's, god damn it, stop with the Windows sounds. Alright, clang D, huh, I only have that option. I guess that'll be the option that I take. Clang. Alright. So, new vim NVIM LSP config. Yeah. What I want to do is to install OPTS. Yep. Servers. Yeah. And I want to have clangd over here. Cool. So this should be all valid syntax and all. Alright. Yeah, and can I now restart this? If we do some right and quitting, and we do that, we get something with lazy beam. Let's actually take a look at the LSPs. So the ones for Python are still failing, but I guess that clangd has now worked. Can I check that? Mason LSP config NVIM changed. Mason. Okay, so clangd is there. Lua is there. And everything's there. Okay. So that's cool and all. Based. Can I search for based? Yeah. Install. No. How do I install something here? Here, autopep. Alright, creating virtual environment. The virtual environment was not created successfully because ensure pip is not available. On the Ubuntu systems, you have to install the Python 3. We got somewhere. apt install. Cool. So that's the thing that I'm missing. Python 3 thus VM. Alright. So we got somewhere. Let's just quit this and let's actually go to a new window, which I believe was like this. No. Oh. Good enough. Quit. Okay, yeah. Oh, this one was actually the one for the tests, so don't want to break this one. Window 1. Good. Quit all without saving. Cool. And let's just go to code. Actually, let's go back and code some infrastructure, and let's do some NVIM over here, and let's search for the file that is Python, def Python. No. Yeah. And yeah, I also should update the cache. So yeah. Alright, so this one looks about right. Can I yank it and paste it? Yeah. PyEnv. So that's the one that I want to install. Yeah, install. And now I should be able to do Control V window 2. Python thus venv. Control B window 3. First try. Python thus venv. Python 3 does venv. Alright. Let's junk this. Let's junk this line. Let's go to nursery. We want to go to the cache, and we want to say I copied something, but yeah. Let's junk and paste this line over here, maybe, and let's delete around the word and insert PyEnv right, and now let's go back to nursery and see what do we have over here. Python 3 does venv. So we have some def, and this actually should go in common, install, and yeah, junk and paste PyEnv. Alright, apt install, insert Python 3 does venv. Okay, right, and we also need that on the install. Alright, insert and PyEnv. Alright, So that's cool, that's cool. Now I should be able to quit. And I actually should be able to docker ps. Permission deniable, trying to connect to the dot thing. Fuck. I guess that's only fair. I should have gave myself some rights over there, but whatever. Whatever. Okay, I have to fix that. So NVIM def common entry point sh docker alright, and junk paste docker right, and let's insert a comment that says to do ch own the docker socket. Okay, socket. Oh, right. I can actually take a look at where that's at. So that should be at these docker compose, I believe. Yeah, and it's this one. So let's jump till the end of the line. Let's go over here. I have to learn how to move between tabs or between wall buffers. Paste. Right, insert ch own well, I don't want to own it, but ch mod plus x to that. I guess that's enough. Probably like that, right? Bar run docker sock. QA bar run docker sock. So I guess that no one can execute, so I guess that I'm missing read and write permissions over here. I guess that's the thing that I'm missing. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. So that should be fine. That should be fine. More things. More things. So this should be to fix the oh, I actually have NPM version. Ah, so NPM is not installed. So how can we install NPM on Debian? Debian install NPM. I don't know, I'd rather just depend on packages that do not use NPM. Alright. So, that's the Control B window 2. So these are the ones that we have. More ones that we might want to have. So we might want to have CMake. So I guess that if I just put CMake here, that should be good enough. CMake. I don't wanna be choosing between those. Like, how do I know which one's better? I don't know. But we might want some CSS. I want to take a look at not class. God damn it. CSS. Alright, so we might want to get some CSS in there. Stop auto-suggesting crap, please. Alright, did you fix it? I did fix. I've not fixed it. I found the issue. So I cannot fix it because I need to restart the whole Docker thingy. But I found the issue, and the issue is this one. Fuck. Yeah. Git diff, and here it is. So there's this pym thingy. By the way, in your NVIM, do you have any binds to show info about function on variable, like on VSCode when you hover with the mouse? I do not know. That's a very fair question. Let me check. So Control B window 2. I should be able to come over here and do something like, yeah, K. No, K. Aha, I have. Okay. So yeah, I do have typing information. I might have even more typing information, depending on the provider. But yeah, let's actually do some proper. Do you have caret D? Good question. What's that? Caret D. Caret D. Pref diagnostic. Going to the diagnostics, like moving through the errors. Apparently I do have that. Okay, so I can go between errors. and it also spans the machine required fields in LSP config. They are not required, my dude. They're not required. They are just highly recommended. Alright. Yeah. So I do have that. Let's take a look at how this looks on another. It also shows the full error, which is good. Yeah, and that's really good, because that's the issue that I was having with Mason. Like, I wasn't able to see the full errors, and I was getting infuriated because of that. So here we have some tests. We can literally use whatever language we want, and you misspell Arduino. That's within the realm of possibilities, just because I'm highly dyslexic. So Arduino. All right. Fun fact: I've already misspelled it, and I fixed it, with another misspelled. So as far as I can tell, it's fine now. Give me 15 minutes and the story will be different. So yeah, let's start some main CPP. And let's do some NVIM over here, and hopefully we'll be able to have some decent diagnostics over here. So this looks so nice. My gosh. Oh, I like that. I really did like that. Alright, so let's include some vectors. Oh, this is really cool. Enter. Oh my gosh, I'm already liking this idea, this text, whatever. That looks exactly like Rust Analyzer. It's great. Yeah, it's the unsafe version. Is the beta. This is the beta for Rust Analyzer. So can I do some stud uint 32 this? Oh my gosh, my number equals 3. God damn it, keyboard. What happens if I now no name type fix available? How do I see the fix? After writing my syntax, I realized the C syntax was the best one all along. It unsurprisingly is. Carrot D, you said. So carrot D. Fix available, but what's the fix? Like, thanks for telling me it's available, but what is it? I'm waiting for the fix. Also, like, it's funny that it thinks that this is a comment. Clan D included header vector is not used directly. Fix available. Well, I have no idea. It probably means you can fix it. Good luck. It's fixable. Like, there's a known fix for it. Go ahead and find it yourself. Yeah. I mean, depending on how all of this is configured, you have to do int, which is the poor man's version of std uint32. So yeah, this one apparently. Oh, and now this is working. Did you install tree-seater syntax highlight for C++? You know, That's a good question. How? Tree center syntax install. I mean, I'd like to have all of the syntax. Like the LSPs are a bit harder. They're a bit more. Check if you have command ts installed. Yeah, I should have. Okay. Let's do that. ts install. Not an editor command. ts install. ts. God damn it. Got ts install. It's here. Why can I install info, install sync, install info? Okay, and it went away. But we have that there. ts install info. Installed bus. Okay, bus is installed. ts god damn it, install info. Okay, let's be quick. Yeah, it was just ts install. ts install. Arguments required. Okay, ts install c. Do you not have tab autocomplete? When I click tab, ts. Oh, it's keep clicking tab to. Fuck. Okay. Okay, C is installed. I saw that, so I guess that if C is installed, it should just work. I mean, maybe. ts install. I don't. Oh, there's a CPP over there, but the camera is in the way. Let me repeat it once more. Last time is the charm. ts install info. I can't read now. CPP not installed. Okay, so it's not installed. So that's the issue. Let me search what's the name for CPP syntax. Alright, I guess that should be fairly CPP. No. Alright, parsers. Okay, 3-seater CPP grammar for 3-seater. Then do ts install CPP. Okay, ts install CPP. Aha. Alright, that's good. Alright, that's exactly what I wanted. Ew. No, not Windows. So and now NVIM main. What? Why is it one line? Nothing changed, Lamar. I mean, it has put this thing on one line. It works. Look, now it works. And now it doesn't. So insert mode is. Do I just have to use that std vector char? Okay, yeah, so it was because I wasn't using it. Include, yeah. So now it's fine. Okay, so probably your fix plus actually using vector fixed it. Now the question is, how do I put that on the config? Because I don't want to remember every time that I open this thing from scratch. I want to be able to put that thing on a file. So tree setter syntax install. No idea. Yeah, NVIM. Okay, we are getting there. Just give me the code. Ensure installed. The fuck is this thing? Is this really how do you do that? There's no way, right? Fuck it. Yeah. So window, whoa, window 2. Okay. So just like we have this, ensure installing some measure requires that everything to be automatically installed in the first install is probably the same. Yay. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. So copy, insert, paste. Alright, so I guess that goes there. This can, whoa.
Great_white_accelerator is building something.
Thanks for building something. Welcome to the Builders Club. Welcome to the Builders Club. Using 2 spaces in that should be a crime. I've not made that conscious choice. It was made for me by the configuration of LazyBeam, which is a poor defense. For a probable crime. I don't know, like 2 space syntax, whatever. Like, I mean, what's better, 4 space syntax? I don't know. It's probably not the best, but I mean, you can change it. Yeah, I even know where to change it. I just did not. Should be here. Indent width. It's 2. I mean, what's better? I hate it so much. Everything on JavaScript comes with 2 space by default. What's Great White Accelerator. Thanks a lot for following. Welcome to the Builders Club. What would you say that it's a better indent width? Like 4? 4. And we can go with 4. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like 2. Let's try 4 for now. Let's see how that feels. Right. Let's see how that feels. Do I have to save to get that applied? Probably. Line with spaces only. Yeah. They come over here. Alright. So let me just write this. Okay, there you have it. 4 spaces. Already you need to format it. It's format and save. Type gg equals g. is it Lua line? It's Lua. I'm not sure what Lua line is. Let me Google that. But it is Lua, yeah. Lua line. It's probably like Lua line NVIM. Blazing fast. Status line written in Lua. Oh, I'm actually not sure which plugin is providing the line over here. Maybe it's Lua line. I've chosen a distribution for the Beam config, and the distribution is lazy. It's called lazy Beam. It's this one. So lazybeam.org. Whatever they shipped is whatever I'm using. In the bottom is just Tmax. So I guess only NVIDIA doesn't use it. It's probably Lua line. Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it is. I mean, I actually was quite enjoying the two space indent. Like this feels like too indented for my liking. To be honest, like the two spaces were big spaces. I don't know. I think I'm actually gonna revert to two. Let's see. Let's do the comparison. So if I save now, I mean, I don't know. Maybe why don't we pick a middle ground? Why don't we go with 3 spaces? Like maybe 3 spaces is just a good middle ground. Like not 4, not 3. Check Linux Topal Linux repository. Let's see. Linux GitHub. Right. How many spaces does this guy use? I'm gonna guess that something crazy, like 6 spaces. Like, I don't know. God damn it. Oh, that's stubs. He uses stubs. Well, I mean, everything there is 8 spaces. Is it 8 spaces or is it tabs? It feels like tabs, to be honest. Let's. Oh, I don't want to forget. Can I just open it? Copy raw file. Raw. Okay, let's see the raw file. It's a tab, eh? Well, tabs are 8 spaces. Okay, so he uses tabs. I mean, I guess that Josh supposed to be using tabs rather than spaces. But yeah, I'm not sure. What does Go recommend? Go spaces recommendation. Formatting indentation Go tabs or spaces. So what do they say? What's the default? You can read more about it over here. Okay. Go format your code. Okay. Tabs. No tabs. Space. Never has been a debate about spacing or brace position ever again. Yeah. Okay, so they use this to format the code, but what does this thing use? What does this thing does? Go FMT. Let's see. Go FMT format rules. Let's see what they do. Are they using just tabs with 8? Is that what they are using? Like 8? I don't quite believe that. Yeah, I don't know, but they are definitely using tabs, so maybe I should use tabs too. Well, would you be happier if I was using tabs? I'm honestly not so. Spaces, tabs. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Like, I know NASA forces you. NASA forces you. NASA's probably right. Let's stay with 2 then. I mean, I wasn't liking 4. 4 was too much for my taste. 2 is probably a bit too little. 3 was okay. I'm not that keen on spaces. Like, I don't hate them, I don't love them. I've always used spaces, but it's not like the NASA's wrong. They're from the US. I don't know. Like, NASA's right on many coding guidelines, so they have some decent guidelines, I think, at least. So yeah. Let's ensure that a couple more things are actually installed here on our three-seater thingy. Insert, enter. I guess that this needs to be wrapped on some opts, right? Opts. That's probably the way to go. So let's wrap this in some opts. Alright, and let's do, so we already have C over here, so we can do some CPP, and that also should be already installed. So let's try installing something new. Let's try installing Go, for example. So let's try installing Go. Oops, I wasn't in insert mode. Go. So let's try installing Go, and let's see if that works. Yeah. So now Go should, you have NVIM surround, right? NVIM surround, I forgot. I don't know what NVIM surround is. I probably do have it. Like, this distribution came with too many things. I had to choose between going from 0 to something, or from going to a lot of things to what I like. So I want the downwards route. I'm not sure if it was the right route. And then surround. Oh, I'll change. Maybe I do have this thing. Add delete in surrounding pass. What's this supposed to do? Oh, yeah, I do have that. Go inside the string type j junk s. That's already too advanced. Junk s, I don't know what that is. Let's see. Junk, what's the s? Flash. Around Q. I think that the S very good thing. How do you manage your dot files? All right, good question. So what I did for the dot files is split the terminal. So I guess you don't have it. Maybe don't. So this whole setup is quite a bit complicated. So I have a base for the repository, which is this infrastructure part. This infrastructure part is a set of Docker images for the, so if you do some bat over the Docker Compose, so here you have development images for its language. So you have Go, Rust, and so on, and this is just the dependencies. You build one of those Docker servers, Docker images or whatever, and it comes with this other package inside of it already configured, and that other package is the .config. This is actually a package inside my Git called config. So you go to my Git, this is where my .files are located at, not there. Das config, and this is where my .files live at. So here you have the ZSH config file. You also have the tmux config file. So for tmux I'm using 2. The ptaken, the NVIM configuration, and everything gets updated here. So the idea is that if you don't want to do the Docker setup, you can just clone this config file to your home at .config and get everything, and then you just, for the things that you actually want to be using, you just create symbolic links for them. So if I do this, if I do this, you see that I have symbolic links for the things that I'm using. So the p10k is linked to the config dot, the tmux is linked, and so far so on. So that's how I'm managing the dot files. So they're just on a repository, and you symbolic link whatever you want to use, and you just clone this wherever you want. And it's I did that consciously, like I wanted to have it split, like do not mix having enforcing on people using my Docker setup just because maybe someone doesn't want to use Docker. Like it wouldn't be fair to be forcing them to do that. And so yeah, that's how I'm managing the dot files. Great. So now I should have the 3-seater for Go. Let's actually comment this first. No. Wow, I'm on missile mode. God damn it. Alright. So let's not have the Go one. And let's go to... No. Alright. Window. 1. No. Window 3. Yup. And let's create here a dot main.go, right, and let's do an mvim on main.go. Go. Alright, so that's doing stuff, and it's failing on most of the stuff that it's doing. Unfortunate. But I have this. So how does this look on Go? So on Go, I believe you go and do fn main, and of course 3-seater is not providing me syntax highlighting for this size, which is exactly what I wanted to test. So now if I write func, I don't know that much Go, to be honest. Func. Okay, so it is providing some coloring. Alright, so maybe I guess that this is a variable. Now I do this. Okay, so there's some coloring going on. So maybe 3-seater is already installed. Yeah, you got it. Alright. So let me actually, we should be able to do something like ts install info, I believe. So let's go over here. Where did that thing go? ts install info. Go. Okay. NVIM notifications log. I want to see all of the notifications. NVIM notify log list history. Okay. Okay, so I should be able to do that. Notifications. Okay, here it is. Do we have Go installed? Go not installed. Okay, so Tree-Seater currently doesn't have Go installed. So if we go to the window that it's at number 2 and uncomment this thing and write that, will that work? We have to restart this one. Start it. Things are happening. Mason is still complaining, so Mason will complain as it should. I'm not sure what all of this is, but whatever. So this is like lazy giving me some output. ts install info, and now notifications. Alright, and let's see if Go is here. Fuck, apparently not. So that's not how we do it. So this is not how we do it. Yeah. So can we please exit this window? This is like an image that has, like, for real, am I stuck here forever? Oh, it's in a new window. Okay, Tree-Seater lazy install, how are they called? Ensure install. Ensure installed. Alright, how do we do this on Tree-Seater? Ensure require lazy dot setup. Add this to your init.lua. Require lazy setup dot build ts update. I'm assuming that that's already provided to me by the extension. The thing that I don't think is provided by the extension is this. So I believe that this is what I'm missing. The config function. Okay, so let's try doing this. So it's probably not ops like the others. but it's probably more like something like this. Let's junk inside these things and delete inside this, junk inside this, alright, and paste, insert, enter. Okay, so this looks about right, this looks about right. Now I should be able to write. Fuck, what's it not liking? Alright, so over here ends the function, and I shouldn't need any of this crap. Alright, right, okay, and now I should be able to delete around this and delete this line and delete this line. So I do believe now that sync install yeah, this is probably how we did. So let's just write this, and let's go to the third window, and let's reload this window. Please. Things are happening. Mason is complaining. Question is, has TS installed info? Notifications. Do we have Go installed now? Not installed. Fuck. Okay. Not installed. Window 2. Yeah. Okay. I guess maybe this is missing. That could be it. Also, there's this thing, the TS update. Do I have that? TS update. All parsers are up to date. TS update sync. All parsers are up to date. TS update. Okay, all parsers are up to date. So it's literally not understanding that it should missing required fields in the TS config modules, ignore install, auto install. Yeah, that's fine. Sync install false. Why would that be false? Right. Window 3. Quit, right. NVIM 3-seater config is not installed. Window 2. Huh. Why did it fail now? Yeah, I'm not sure why it failed. I'm not sure at all. Okay. Well, we got somewhere, I guess. Let's try and check one more time if the info is correct about Go. Go not installed. Alright, so indeed Go is not installed. Okay. So I guess I'll have to figure that out for the next stream, because we've already spent quite a lot of time trying to figure it out, and I definitely was not able to do so. Yeah. I'm starting to realize that starting from a distribution instead of starting from scratch with NVIM, adding the things, it's a bit complicated. Like, yeah, I have many things already installed, which is fine, but I don't really know what those things are. Like, I'm always confused about what do I have, what do I not, why is it working this way, why is it working however it's working. Furthermore, whenever I try to add something, I just get a shit ton of errors. So part of the errors will be fixed with the changes that we've done, changes that I should be committing, to be honest, to the environment. So let's actually go ahead and commit that. Git addo git commit fix writes or fix Python environment. So with the virtual environment, with that, we should be able to, to fix part of the issues that we've encountered so far. Git push. I just have to recompile the whole Docker and test it. But that's part of the fix. The other part of the fix is that there's many things that aren't just quite working yet, like installing these things for 3-seater, installing these things for Mason. So there's many things that aren't exactly working. When push your current NVIM config. I can push it just now. window 2, no, window 1. Alright, let me just go here, git add all, and let's do some, what was the last thing that I pushed? Fixing something with fd2 path. Okay, git commit backup. Let me spell it correctly. Backup. Changes to NVIM on progress, LSPs, and dashboard. Alright, so there you have it. So that's the latest version. That commit might be a bit confusing, like it has many things, but you'll have the latest version. Start with this and don't use NeoBeam. Oh, the kickstart. Yeah, that was this was done by TJ, right? Or at least I heard so. Yeah, probably this is the wise way to go. Like it's just one file, right? This one. And probably this is the wiser way to go, because I'm losing way too much time with the current setup, going back and forth. Like it's so good. This one, it's so well documented. Like everything has a comment like this does that, this does that. Yeah. And also it's like, you see, this is the one that I wasn't able to do. Okay, so this is how I'm supposed to be doing that. I just scrolled up on the solution to the thing that I wanted. So, okay, so apparently it's with opts and then ensure installed. But I tried that and it was not working. Maybe it was not working because of something else. It's cover everything. Yeah, I mean, my current config has like many cool things. Many cool things that I could configure on starting with this one, and also it has many things that I don't know what they are or if I need, and I wouldn't have that issue with Kickstart. So maybe you are right, and I should just be kickstarting with the Kickstart and not with this overly bloated configuration. Like, why so many plugins? Like, I don't know what half of these plugins are, and I just want to build motions. So yeah, maybe you're right. And also, like, the dashboard is cool, but I could just port that from what I have to that thing, and that's it. So yeah, probably on next stream I'll consider switching to this thing. Like I like this simplicity more. Maybe you're right. Okay, but for now, I don't know where you are from. I don't know what time is it where you are. I'm from Spain, and it's far too late. It's far too late, and yeah, I should go to bed. I have to work tomorrow, and I had to work just today and today, and I'm tired. By the way, is Spain still using German UTC? We are using German time. We are. Our dictator was happy with the German dictator, so that's why we have German time. Had nothing to do with that decision. He liked the album. um, it is what it is, you know. Like it's been so much time since those times, and thankfully we've gotten to a far better place. Though there's still things to be fixed, you know, like. Exactly. Come to Brazil. Maybe that's the solution. Like, I mean, Portuguese. I could learn Portuguese if I tried. Unlike Russian, which feels too much effort, I think that Portuguese would be a reasonable amount of effort, at least to speak it. You know, like maybe not to fully understand, be able to write, be able to everything, but at least. If you go to the stream bordered with Uruguay, you can find Spanish speakers. Yeah, I could be like living over here, like Brazil. What's the map? Give me the map. Oh, there's so many. Like it has a border with all of the Spanish-speaking countries. Like you see, like um, Peru, for example. I could live here in Santa Rosa do Parus. That's an hotel and everything. Like this is perfect. Like also it's close to Peru. We border all of them except two in South America. You know, like this one over here. This one could be my house. How do I switch to satellite mode? Well, maybe house was a bit of an overstatement. Let's look for one a bit better. You see, like with boats and everything, like that one. I like Spanish balls. Yay, Spanish balls! I mean, I don't fancy the ball thing, but it's that, you know, like ball. Oh, yeah, this is more like a ball. Yeah, I don't know. I like animals that are still alive, so he got a bit. Oh, I forgot to share the screen. God damn it. Do you miss my house in Brazil? I need another screen. Like I don't know what I'm showing. I forgot. I was saying that this could be my house, but it looked better on this view. Like here it's a Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. How do this is Microsoft Maps? Leaking addresses. There was an address leak. I probably shouldn't be logged in to access maps. Don't go there. Lol, now you will have to delete the bot. I mean, if you take a look at my LinkedIn, that's my address there. So if you want to come and murder me, feel free to do so. Like no one's stopping you. Doesn't this fucking browser have incognito mode? Well, whatever. Just don't look for a quick second while I leak the address again. Fuck. Wow, there it is. Rio de Janeiro. Control Shift N probably. Control Shift N. Okay, that's. Well, too late. It also haven't found it. One install art. I mean, yeah. It's a Windows in disguise. Like you do like full screen, and now which operating system do I have? Like I use Arch, by the way. Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. Isn't do in Portuguese? Maybe not. Maps. Okay. What? Reject. Rio de Janeiro. Alright. Oh, this is how you put the roads. Interesting. They look like the American ones, more or less, right? Oh, it's big. This thing is big, man. Oh, what's this? Oh, church. I mean, it's pretty. Rio de Janeiro looks pretty. What's the big statue? Like, there's a big guy. This one. I live in this state. In the state of Rio de Janeiro. Like, this is the state, like this line, or is it the? I guess is this one, right? Not the city though. Yeah. Same name. Oh, okay, so the same name. But I guess it's this line, right? Yeah. Let me take a quick look if my house will. Okay, it's not there. I live in Madrid at the moment. I live in Madrid. The other address was my previous address, so it's not that bad. But yeah. I live in this area of Madrid. Did you see Messi there? No, Messi was over here. Messi was in Barcelona, or Neymar was also in Barcelona. Madrid had all of the bad ones. Madrid had like this one, which can't even be found. We had this guy, which apparently doesn't have enough pixels. Rodrigo. But Cristiano Ronaldo is Portuguese. Rodrigo Madrid. And this guy, Rodrigo Silva. He's from Brazil. Alright. Yeah, Neymar was from Brazil, right? Neymar. Yeah. Brazilian. Yeah, many people that play football are from Brazil. The other guy, Ronaldinho. This guy was also from Brazil, right? Yeah. They go to other countries. I mean, everyone goes to the country that pays more. Like at the moment, they are going to Saudi Arabia or whoever gives them the most money. At the time, like Madrid and Barcelona were giving a lot of money. And I guess that they stopped giving them so much money, or at least in comparison. Packer? Have I seen Packer? Tell me that this thing doesn't have Packer. Okay, it doesn't. It was a hallucination for a second. Alright, guys, I'm gonna leave you. Otherwise, tomorrow I'll be pretty much fired if I don't sleep. So uh, have a good night, have a good evening, have a good afternoon, good day, with whatever, and see you on the next stream. Bye.